Hello?
The cake is so delicious today. I have to eat it to my heart's content. I'm the cake monster.
You are about to become a cake monster, hee hee. Today, I'll show you the proper way to wipe your mouth.
Wipe it right, nice and bright. Use a cloth, not your sleeve, alright. Round and round, wipe with care. Look at you, no mess to spare.
Let's all try the wiping motion together.
Wipe it right, nice and bright. Use a cloth, not your sleeve, alright. Round and round, wipe with care. Look at you, no mess to spare.
Wow, my mouth is all clean now.
Great job, Anne.
I'm the super mouth wiping superhero.
Little friends, remember, we should always wipe our mouths after eating.
And if you enjoy spending time with us, don't forget to hit subscribe so you can meet Anne and he again in more fun and helpful lessons.
Hello?